Hey guys, welcome to my shop. In today's video, I wanted to explain how to apply the pre-stain conditioner from minwax. So stick around. Okay, so jumping right into it, this product is really meant to be used for any soft wood or a wood that's very porous. So if you want to use a project and you're going to put some stain on, say, pine or fir or maple, something like that, you're going to want to actually put this on first. It's going to help the blemishes not be there. It's going to make a nice even coat with your stain, and it's going to really give you a much better result. So the first step you're going to do, and just like we did in the how to get a ultra smooth finish video, make sure your wood is ready to go. Sand it really nice and smooth, right down to the finished sanding that you want for your project. And then next what we're going to do is want to apply this stain to the product, back and forth, nice even strokes, making sure to cover the whole piece of product. Alright, now that we've got this completely covered with the pre-stain conditioner, we're going to want to let this set for 10 to 15 minutes, and then what we want to do is come back to it and wipe it down with a nice dry cloth to make sure there's nothing setting on there, and then we'll move on from that step. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes and I can visually tell there's really nothing that seems to be left puddled up, but I'm going to still nevertheless wipe it down, make sure there's nothing there. So here comes the next critical part. You want to apply your stain within 2 hours of applying this. So general rule of thumb, I just go right ahead and do it. So do your pre-stain right before you apply your actual stain. So for this example, I'm going to use the Special Walnut by Minwax. You do want to stick with the same brand of stain that you're using, pre-wood stain conditioner, because this was made by this product and tested with their own product, and they know what result they're going to get. So you can be guaranteed that when you use the same product, you're going to get the result that they expect you to get, versus trying to intermix other different products. So you're just going to apply your stain just like you would any other stain, making sure to cover every spot. And what I like to do, make sure your brush gets a little bit less, and just go from one end to the other, one end to the other. We'll let that set for about the same length of time I did the pre-stain conditioner. So we'll let it set for about 5-10 minutes, and then we'll wipe off the excess as well. Alright, it's been about another 10 minutes. We're going to just go ahead and wipe it away. Now the key to this is, do you notice any difference? No. And that is just the point. You don't want to see a difference. You want a consistency in the color of your stain the entire way. If you don't use the pre-stain conditioner, what's going to happen on these soft woods or very porous wood is you're going to have places where it soaks in more, places where it's not going to soak in as much. You're going to get an uneven finish. But this, you can tell, it's a nice even finish. And this is a soft wood. This is actually a piece of pine, and it's turned out really good. Okay, so just to touch on it again, you do want to use the same product of pre-stain conditioner. In my case, I used the Minwax brand, and use the same stain brand because they are designed to work together. This particular one is oil-based. You do not want to mix it with a water-based stain. It's not going to work. Oil and water just don't mix. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button down below. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time right here in the workshop.